Hello and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today's tech tip is going to focus on Kahoot, a wonderful game that the students absolutely adore using. So I'm going to model it for you from the teacher's view as well as from the student's view so you can understand how to use this tool in your class. So you can go to create.kahoot.it. If you don't remember the login, just kind of like Google Kahoot because kahoot.com will not get you to this website. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. This is basically the home page. These are my Kahoots that I've created. These are Kahoots that I can search, and this is how I'm going to make a new Kahoots. There are 4 types of Kahoots that you can do. You can do a quiz, which basically the reason why students like quizzes is because they're very competitive and their names get publicized based on what answer they got, and there is a right and a wrong answer. If you get something wrong, you get 0 points. If you get something right, you can get up to 1,000 points. And it just becomes competitive between the students because they want to beat their friends. The Jumble we're not going to focus on today. It's actually a new addition to Kahoot. Discussion and survey are very similar in the fact that it's more anonymous, that it doesn't publicize their names. It just shows like how many people chose one answer. So if you kind of like want to do a quick survey, if whether or not they understood something, you can do their discussion or survey and it would be anonymous. The difference between a discussion and a survey is a discussion is only one question and a survey is more than one question. So let me just show you what a quiz and a survey looks like, and then I'll quickly show you how to create one. So I'm going to go to My Kahoots, and we're going to start off by doing a quiz. So I'm going to press play. One of the reasons why the kids like this is that also it's like a lot of fun music. So I'm just going to click on Classic. The fun music has not turned on yet, but it should be turning on in a second. Okay, so this tells the students that they have to go to kahoot.it, and this is their game pin. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to go into my student view. I'm prompted to put in a nickname, and press OK, go. And then on the teacher end, now this is something I would put on the screen. If I don't like the nickname that Mrs. K gave, I can always delete it. So I'm going to press start. Okay, this tells my students that there's 3 questions. Why is Pravana not in school? Right now the student's screen is still blank. And there are 4 choices for them to choose from. It's timed, tells you how many students answered. On the student end, it just shows you the different shapes, and they just have to look on the board to see which shape it has lines with. I'm just going to choose randomly, circle, and I actually got it correct. So this shows me that 1 person got yellow, the correct answer, and 0 people got the other ones. And if I click next, it'll show me that I'm in the lead with 640 points. Clearly, if there are more people playing, there'd be more people. So I'm going to click next. Now we're going to do up to the second question. Okay, once again, timed. I'm just going to randomly choose. Ooh, I got it a second time again, correct without even looking. I am rocking this. Oh my goodness. Once again, this shows you how many people chose which answer, but because it's a quiz, it also tells me how many points, and then I'm totally in the lead. And let's see, final question. Let's see if I'm going to rock this. Ooh, I lost. So now, I lost. I clicked through it too fast. So you want to just make sure to wait until the time is up before clicking. I got 1,649 points. I still think I did pretty good. So this is an example of a quiz. If you want to see what a survey looks like, we're now going to do a survey. So we're going to press play. We're going to go to Classic. Wait until it loads up. Tells me I should go to kahoot.it. We're going to type in the game pin. Save nickname. Okay, we're going to press start. Okay, so this is 2 questions. Who had it worse in Afghanistan during the time of the Taliban? All right, once again, 4 choices. You don't have to have 4 choices. You can easily just have 2 choices. 2 is the minimum. Okay, 1 answer. There's still 12 seconds left. This tells me that 1 person chose the blue, and as opposed to a quiz, it automatically goes to the next question. It doesn't tell you how many points each person got. So this is more anonymous. This is just 2 choices. Okay, and once again, 1 person. It just tells you overall the different choices that people chose, but it's all anonymous. Okay, so how do we create this? It's so simple. You're going to go to New, okay, for Kahoot. Let's just do, I don't know, for all intents and purposes, let's do a quiz because that's what the kids actually like the most. I'm going to call it Tech Tip Tuesday. You have to do discussion for some reason. I just did anything to random. I'll just do Kurt's Rocks. Hashtag Rocks. Not really sure how hashtags work, but we'll just pretend. This is for a school training. I'm going to press OK Go. And I'm going to add a question. How much do you like Tech Tip Tuesday? Question. It's totally awesome. It's just okay. Don't choose that one. Do a sad face for that. Okay, then we're going to press next. Ooh, she should at least one correct answer. This is the correct answer. Okay, because I forgot it was a quiz. Sorry. Okay, and we're just going to do, they have 20 seconds just for the sake of time because I want to get a little bit moving. We're just going to give 10 seconds. And we're going to press save. And voila. Now, what's very cool is that if we want to, you can actually just preview it. So if you want to like kind of play along, what they'll have is they'll have a phone on the side because in theory you could use this with phones, but clearly not going to use phones because we're at Yeshiva Noam. So we're going to press classic. Kahoot's at it, but I just have my phone here because we're previewing it. Enter. This is K. Okay, go. We're in. We're going to press start. So this is student. This is teacher. This is a quiz. How much do you like Tech Tip Tuesday? It is totally awesome. And I got 888 points for that. And voila, we're done. If I wanted to quickly create, I'm done. Now it's saved. If I want to create a survey, so another new Kahoot. Let's create a survey. This one does not have a correct answer. Tech Tip follow up. Once again, we'll do hashtag Ricky Kurtz, hashtag rocks, training, okay, go, add question. We'll just do very quickly, we'll just pretend we're writing questions just for the sake of time. Okay, I know this doesn't even make any sense, but we're just doing it just 10 seconds, save, and let's just preview it so you can see what it looks like. Or not preview because it's just taking too long. But I think you get the idea as how to work Kahoot. It's a wonderful tool. The kids love it. It's easy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is Ricky Kurtz signing off.